Good morning, class 11, accountancy. The name of the chapter is cash book. We are doing illustration number 10, double column cash book. We have done few sums earlier also. Now whatever sums I am doing in cash book, it is a kind of revision. First I did simple column cash book. Now I am doing double column cash book with cash and bank. We will be repeating the same sums with one or two new points. Otherwise, more or less this chapter is over. We are going to do one or two more sum, and one small book is left. This is petty cash book. So we are doing illustration number 10. Record the following transaction in a cash book with cash and discount. Sorry, cash and bank. The first item is given June. So here we are working for the month of June. Right, both sides June. And then we have given entry on 1st June. The first entry is mentioned over here, cash in hand and cash at bank. So let us write, I told earlier also, this is opening balance, and the opening balance is shown with the help of the word balance brought down. So here opening cash is 3,151 and opening bank balance is 91,401. In my previous sum, I told sometime they give credit side of bank overdraft. In that case, this balance, instead of writing over here, when it is given overdraft, we will be writing on credit side by balance brought down in bank column. So here the next entry is on June 2, received a check for rent. We are getting rent in form of check and paid the check into bank. On 2nd June, we are getting rent to rent account, and the check is going into bank on same day, 900 rupees. That's why I am going to show this entry in a bank column. If you want to pass journal entry here, that is also easy. Like I am getting the check of in form of rent, the entry will be bank account debit to rent account. Next entry, it is given on June 5. We are purchasing the goods. June 5. Buy purchases. If cash comes in, debit side. If cash goes out, credit side. So here we have given bought goods for rupees 50,000 at 20% trade discount. Goods MRP is 50 and 20% is a trade discount. It means our actual purchase is 40,000. And the sum says that bought goods for 50,000, trade discount 20%, just I deducted in front of you. Payment made by check. So where I am going to write this entry, dear friends? I am going to write this entry in bank column. I think you understood the reason. And if I ask you to pass the entry for it, what will be the entry for this purchase? Purchase account debit to bank account. Now here we are paying in GST also. So with this we have given by input CGST and by input on purchase, this is input SGST. It is 6%. So both I am giving, so it will be 2,400 and 2,400. So my entry will be purchases account debit, input CGST account debit, input SGST account debit to bank account. I think meaning is clear. Next entry is given on 15, paid trade expense. On 5th, it is given on 15 June. So by trade expense. Now it is not written they are paid in cash or by check. So we will assume it is paid by a cash. So we will write here 120. Trade expenses account debit to cash account. Next entry is given paid rent on 16 June. Then by rent account. We are paying rent of 400. Again, here also it is not mentioned in cash or check. So we will assume it cash. Because check will be taken only when it is, bank entry will go into bank only when it is written paid by check. Next entry, paid insurance charges 100 rupees on 17 June. So by insurance charges, again it is expense for us, money is going. Next entry is given on 25th June. Sold goods for 80,000. Goods of rupees 80,000 MRP. Sold at a trade discount of 10%. That is 8,000. It means our actual sale is 72. And it is written that received check for the same, और हमें उसका बदले में क्या मिला, एक चेक मिला. But it is not written over here whether check has been deposited into bank on same day or not. यहाँ पर ये लिखा हुआ नहीं है कि हमने चेक को बैंक में जमा कराया या नहीं कराया. अब here as per the rule we should not pass this entry because we have not deposited a check into bank. We will pass this entry only when a check deposit into bank on same day. But in your book it is passed by assuming that, ये assume करते हुए entry pass कर दी कि check has deposit into bank on same day. I told earlier also you can also do in same way, but in that case write a note. I have assumed that check has deposit into bank on same day. That you have to take care. So on 25th June, two sales, 72,000 because money got by check, and here two output CGST and two output SGST, 6%, 4320. CGST this on sale it is always output. And the last entry, not second last entry, received check from Johan and Company. Received check from Johan and Company. So again the same way, to Johan and Company, 6,000 rupees. Right? And the last entry is purchase 100 national certificate of 100 each at 95. हमने नेशनल सर्टिफिकेट खरीदे हैं, NSC नेशनल सर्टिफिकेट. It is our investment. What I am going to write over here, by investment I am purchasing 100 certificate. The price of each certificate is 100, but I am purchasing at 95. So I will multiply it by 95 and I am paying the money by check. That's why I will put over here 9,500. So in this way we are going to prepare double column cash book. If any doubt, please feel free to call me and ask your doubt. I think no need to tell you how to close it. I taught this you in other previous sums also. Make the total of debit side, cash, bring the cash here. This cash will, we don't have any other cash transaction. So 3151 and write the total of this here. It becomes 620. 620 minus this, it is 2531. What we are going to write, by balance carried out. And in the same way we are going to close our bank account. But before closing the bank account, just have a glance on the sum, whether it is debit side is more or credit is more. By having a glance, you see debit side is more. You will come to know easily. Directly we should not make the total of debit or credit. Cash, directly you can make the total of debit side. You will never find credit side more of cash. But bank sometime may be credit side more. That's why we must check before closing the account. Thank you very much.